Hello everyone. This video is all about redeeming your 600 credits only if you have received the access code. So to do that, step 1, go to this says go to this URL. Click on this blue, this URL, this text is visible in blue. So click on it and open the link in a incognito window. As soon as you open the link in an incognito window, it will ask you for an access code. Copy the access code provided in your mail and click on I'm not a robot. You might get a different question here. Just select the pictures, submit it. Now let's move on. Now it asks you to enroll in this quest. To enroll, you must sign in with Google. So let's go ahead and sign in. So after you have signed in, click on enroll in this quest. So you'll be redirected to this lab. This is the first lab which you did in the registration as well. So now if you click on the top right corner of your profile, you'll be able to see 9 credits. This is clearly visible here, 9 credits. We need to complete the first lab, that is a tour of Quick Labs and Google Cloud. So let's start the lab. So I've already done this lab before, so I'll not be going through the open Google console and all those steps. I'll just straight away answer the questions. If you have completed this lab already, you should complete it again to receive the remaining 591 credits. Just submit your answers. So after you have answered all the questions, go ahead and end the lab. So now if you refresh, you will see all the 600 credits available to you. That's it. So we'll continue with next lab solving sessions in the evening. Thank you everyone.